Sixth graders, if you're at this station, it means that you have a thesis and that it's strong, but we just need to make it a little bit stronger. So right now, whatever your thesis or your argument is, go ahead and jot it down right here. What are you trying to argue? Unpause when you're done. Okay, so you should have your thesis jotted down. We are going to make sure that we take this and get a better product by the end of this video. Here's a couple things you need to keep in mind. Think of a thesis like a math problem. You need to have the topic or the problem that you're writing about, what you believe about that topic, and why you believe it. That all added together equals a thesis. Other little tips, you shouldn't say, my thesis is, you should just state it, and then make sure that your reasons of why you believe it are actually strong, not just floaty opinions. Some of you are saying, I believe this is wrong because people need to not do bad things and we shouldn't kill. Okay, we want to have it a little bit stronger. So these are a few theses that people wrote in our class. Each of them are missing something from this math problem, or they do something wrong here. So we're going to go through, find what it's missing, and then you're going to rewrite it for that person. First, my thesis is there is way too much killing in New Orleans. In New Orleans, people don't care what they do to people. People need their life, and it's just not fair to people that want to have fun in their lives. So what's wrong with it or what's it missing? And rewrite it right here. Unpause when you're done. Guns, guns. Why were guns made, I thought? Or at least I thought. I thought guns were made for self-protections. I personally am outraged that here in New Orleans, little kids in New Orleans are dying almost every day over a stupid dice game or someone tried to rob someone, and sometimes people kill for no apparent reason. What's it missing? And rewrite. There are too many people getting raped, and we need to put a stop to it right now and not let it go on, and we not let them people do not help you with rapid chargers and government not doing anything right. So what's wrong? And rewrite it here. So for the what's it missing, that's where I wanted you guys to say it's missing why they believe it or something like that. And sorry, I should have said this at the beginning, but there really should be about like 3 reasons why you believe it. If you need some help with that, go ahead and look at the example that I put on the page before right here, or the example one for this problem right here. There really should be like 3 different reasons in your thesis. So now that you've taken a look at some theses that, state some opinions and say what they're thinking, but maybe aren't super tight, I hope that this activity helped you realize how to make them a little bit tighter. Take whatever you put right here, redo it at the bottom. Unpause when you're done. Okay, so now that you are done with this, make sure that you go to your essay, and this is what it should look like at the top. Make sure you have your name, and then you type the word thesis and a colon and type whatever your new thesis is. Then make sure you enter and have a new indented, that's when you start your indented body paragraphs.